Hello viewers, you are welcome back to class again. Last video, I taught sequence and rules. But there is this a pressing need to teach solving equations. And the equation I want to solve now is the linear type of equation. There's a pressing need for it. I'll still go back to sequence and rules later. Thank you. So the first example I have for solving linear equation is x plus 7 equal to 11. When you are given a linear equation, it will have an unknown. You will surely get an unknown in letter form. So, if the relationship, when you look at the linear equation, the relationship of the unknown, in this typical linear equation now, the unknown is x. So you look at the relationship between the unknown and the number close to it, the closest number to it, and we see that the relationship is an additive relationship. So in this case, letter S is befriending number 7 additively. So you want to do something that will bring away number 7 from letter X, and letter S, which is unknown in this question, will be known. That is, the value for letter X will be shown obviously after the calculation. So how do we go about this? Since number 7 is befriending letter S additively, we're going to introduce a subtractive friendship to X in order to negate the additive friendship of 7 to X. I believe we are really getting it now. So, what we'll do here is we write the letter X plus 7, but in order to bring the additive 7 away from X, we introduce a subtractive relationship of this same number 7 to X. And whatever you do to the left hand side, also do to the right hand side. So since we are going to use a subtractive 7 to work again additive 7 here, is going to happen on this side too. So we're going to add 11 minus 7, because whatever happened on left side will happen to on the right side. Now, viewers, can you see that with the introduction of a subtractive 7, we've been able to negate or remove this additive 7? How? Plus 7 minus 7 gives 0. Plus 7 minus 7 gives 0. And that's what we want to achieve. We don't want any letter or any relationship to be with letter X. And so we are left with X being equal to 11 minus 7, which gives S equal to 4. That's a method. Another method of solving this linear equation is, I want to recall the question again. X plus 7 is equal to 11. Yeah, this method we want to collect like term. This method is collecting like term. This is another method of solving this equation by collecting like terms. Obviously, it is seen that X is the only letter here. 7 and 11 are numbers. So we want to bring the numbers in one side, letter in another side. So x being here, we write the equal to sign. 11 is on the right hand side already. So we need to bring this plus 7 to 11 on the right hand side. And the moment this plus 7 crosses this bridge of equal to meet 11, the sign changes. So a plus 7 will change to a minus 7. And so we have s equal to 4. So this second method is the shortest method so far, but it's a bit logical. It's a wee logical. So it's just your choice. Anyone you prefer to use out of these two methods, it's fine. And I move to the second example. The second example is x plus 3 equals 12. The second one, this is the first one, and the second one is x plus 3 equals 12. S plus 3 equals 12. As I've said the other time, I won't use the two methods this time around. I'll just pick one of the method. And the shortest method is the second one of collecting like term. And I want us to go for it. That's fine. So what we'll do here is, since the relationship between x and 3 is additive, and we don't want any number to be close to s, we just introduce the collecting like term method. Collecting like terms. So when you collect like terms, you are bringing numbers to one side and letter to the other side. So we have x here equals 12. So this plus 3 moving to the other side changes to minus 3. So we have x equal to 9. Very simple, straightforward, short. Thank you. We move to another question, which is x minus 4 equals 3. In x minus 4 equals 3, x minus 4 equals 3. In this one, since it's a negative relationship, it's a subtractive relationship, I want to use the two method now. So the first method I did the other time is, since we have a subtractive relationship with the unknown, which is x, in order to cancel or to remove this relationship and leave x on its own, we're going to introduce a positive. What is opposite to the sign we already have? The sign we already have here is a negative sign. So to negate it or to remove it is to introduce an opposite sign. And that opposite sign in this case is a positive sign. So we still return the same number, because we want to remove this minus 4 completely from x. And so we can have x alone and get the value of s straight away. So we have it equals to 3. So minus 4 plus 4 gives 0. We've been able to rule out 4 from x. So we have x equals to, and whatever happened to this side happened to the other side. So as plus 4 goes here, plus 4 also goes here. Then we have 3 plus 4 giving us 7. That is for the first method. Now for the method of collecting like terms. By collecting like terms, we have x to be equals to 3, and this negative 4 moving to the other side to meet 3 because both are numbers and we are trying to collect like terms. So this minus 4 will be plus 4 and x is equal to 7. Perfect. That's good. Viewer, keep watching, subscribing, liking Mary Math Grade. Bye.